In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp in PC using Google Chrome extension. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser because this method works through a Chrome extension. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and search for Chrome Web Store. When the search results appear, open the Chrome Web Store. After that, look for the extensions section if needed, and then use the search box inside the store to search for WhatsApp. Type WhatsApp clearly so you can find the correct extension more easily. Once you find the WhatsApp extension, click on it to open its details page. This page usually gives you a basic overview of what the extension does. It is always a good habit to quickly review the listing before adding anything to your browser. Next, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome may show you a confirmation pop-up with permissions requested by the extension. Read that window carefully, and if everything looks correct, continue by confirming the installation. After the installation is complete, the WhatsApp extension will be added to Chrome. In many cases, you will see its icon near the top right area of the browser. At this point, the extension has been successfully added to your browser, and you are ready to use it from your PC through Google Chrome. The main part of this process is simply opening Chrome, searching for the Chrome Web Store, finding the WhatsApp extension, and adding it to Chrome correctly. If you follow these steps carefully, the setup is simple and quick. This method is useful if you want easier access to WhatsApp while working on your computer. That covers everything you need to know.